Well, that didn't take long. Engine light's back on. Pulling that. This will make for an exciting next couple hours. Where are we, Jerry?
Petroglyph National Monument in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Well, we've been in Albuquerque and Tumancari, and we've got about 150 miles to go. You think we'll make it? I hope so. I've got an appointment with a Ford dealer. Well, there's no engine light yet, but it popped on yesterday and it popped on the day before. Kind of expected it. Wish us luck. Well, that didn't take long. Engine light's back on. Pulling that. This will make for an exciting next couple hours. Well, this isn't good. This is all part of RVing. Not coming loose now. You know, if you RV, you better be handy. That's all I can say. Well, we made it here to Elk City, Oklahoma. And the reason why we're here is months ago we made an appointment to get our roof replaced on our RV. And so tomorrow morning I'm pulling the rig over to their other shop, and they're going to do that. And then after that they're going to do some other work. In the meantime, I got to take my Ford into Ford and see what that's going to entail. But anyway, I'm grateful we made it, and all this shall pass too. Yeah, all these rigs are going to be in line to go to that shop tomorrow. Got my Starlink out here. That's working out pretty good. And my little cactus needs some sunlight. It's going to have a little flower pretty soon. Hope you all have a great day.